Now, your mornings have gotten better with your favorite breakfast with less effort, heat and mess. The Easy Flip makes rectangular dosas that are custom made just for you. The batter tank and separators, the collecting tray and the blade are detachable. You can remove them from the appliance for cleaning. Once cleaned, you can attach them back to the dosa maker. The batter tank can hold up to 700 ml of batter and can make 8 to 12 dosas. With the tank, you will also get 2 batter separators that you can use if you want to make 2 or 3 flavored dosas. It comes in 4 different colors.